Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best F11 4K Pro drone is probably one of the most exciting pieces of tech for aspiring aerial photographers and videographers, offering a fantastic blend of high-definition capture, stable flight performance, and user-friendly controls, making it an ideal choice for those looking to elevate their content creation without breaking the bank, promising breathtaking cinematic shots right from your backyard or your next adventure. Number 5. Holy Stone HS720 GPS Drone 4K UHD. Capture breathtaking moments with its optimized Full HD camera. Built with a shock absorption holder, it ensures crystal clear 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without any camera vibration. Its 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens allow you to explore the world from unique perspectives. Experience worry-free flying with its GPS-assisted intelligent flight. It automatically returns home when the battery is low, signal is lost, or with a single press of a button. This smart device can also follow you, fly along a set path, or circle a point, letting you focus on your creativity. Enjoy up to 52 minutes of total flight time with its 2 intelligent batteries. Its long-life brushless motors offer lower power consumption and a quieter flight experience. The foldable design and included carrying case make it incredibly easy to transport for any adventure. Multi-sensors ensure stable hovering and high-quality pictures in various environments. Optical flow positioning provides excellent stability even when GPS signals are weak. Functions like one-key start-stop, emergency stop, and altitude hold make it simple for even beginners to control. Command it from up to 3,000 feet with its 2.4 GHz transmitter. The LED screen conveniently displays battery level and GPS signal. It even includes a button to control the drone's light and offers a right-hand throttle mode for left-handed users. What we like. This drone offers an impressive 52 minutes of flight time, letting you capture extended aerial footage without constant recharging. If you're a content creator needing long takes or an explorer wanting to cover vast landscapes, its extended battery life is a game changer. It ensures you spend more time flying and less time on the ground. What people say. Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro 4K Drone with 60 minutes flight. This 4K drone is an excellent gift for anyone new to the hobby. It offers an easy and fun way to learn how to fly, making it ideal for kids, friends, or curious adults. Getting started with it is incredibly simple, thanks to its beginner-friendly settings. You can fly like a pro using intelligent modes such as follow me, fly around, point of interest, and hand gesture shots. It comes with 2 powerful 11.1V 2500 mAh batteries. This provides you with an impressive total of up to 60 minutes of flight time, doubling your aerial adventure. Never worry about losing it, as it features GPS auto return home. It will automatically return to its takeoff location if the signal is lost or the power is low, ensuring a safe flight every time. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, it offers superior stability and can resist winds up to level 6. Its durable aluminum alloy casing ensures long-lasting performance. Experience breathtaking 4K Ultra HD picture quality and smooth 2.9K 30 frames per second video. Its 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable camera capture wide, vivid, and memorable moments. This drone features an integrated remote ID module, ensuring full compliance with FAA regulations. No additional modules are required, so you can fly legally and with peace of mind. What we like. With an impressive 60 minutes of flight time, this drone is perfect for extended adventures and capturing every moment. If you're a beginner looking for a drone that's easy to learn and offers robust flight stability, its level 6 wind resistance makes it a reliable choice. It's designed to give new pilots confidence and plenty of airtime to practice and explore. What people say. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720E Drone with 4K Camera. This drone meets all FAA requirements, ensuring a safe and legal flying experience. You can easily obtain its remote ID module for full compliance. Contact customer support for any assistance. Equipped with a cutting-edge 4K camera and electric image stabilization, it captures crystal clear, blur-free videos. Its advanced Sony sensor elevates image quality to an unmatched level, truly outperforming others. Experience incredibly stable flights thanks to its integrated air optical flow and pressure control system. With GPS and auto return to home, it always finds its way back to you, letting you explore with confidence. Elevate your adventures with an impressive 46 minutes of total flight time, provided by 2 intelligent batteries. This means more time soaring and less time recharging. A convenient carrying bag is also included for easy transport. Enhance your videography and photography with innovative flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. It effortlessly navigates, allowing you to focus entirely on capturing stunning shots and videos. Its brushless motors ensure powerful, stable, and virtually noiseless flights. Experience the thrill of the skies without distractions, while also benefiting from extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. What we like. Equipped with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony sensor, this drone delivers superior image quality with excellent stabilization. If you prioritize professional-grade photos and videos, its advanced camera system will capture stunning, blur-free footage. It's ideal for serious hobbyists who demand crisp visuals and smooth cinematic shots. What people say. Number 2. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. This drone features a 1080p HD camera, adjustable up to 90 degrees, offering an exciting aerial view. Its 112-degree wide-angle lens helps you capture stunning details from a bird's-eye perspective, perfect for any scene. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes thanks to its powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without constant recharging. Small yet mighty, it boasts intuitive features packed into a foldable frame, giving you complete creative freedom. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to transport and explore without limitations. User experience is optimized with intelligent features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, making operation streamlined and safe. A 1-key high-speed rotation adds extra fun to your flight. It's a must-have for beginners, offering intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. These user-friendly features, combined with its long flight time, make every practice session enjoyable. What we like. This compact drone features convenient voice and gesture controls, making it incredibly intuitive to operate. If you're a beginner or looking for an easy-to-use drone for casual fun, its simplified controls allow for effortless photo and video capture. It's perfect for quick, spontaneous flights and capturing moments with minimal fuss. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. Ruko U11 Mini 4K, RC3, Professional 8K Drone. This drone features an integrated 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen controller. It eliminates the need for phone tethering or messy cables, making it ideal for beginners and tech minimalists. Powered by a 1.2 CMOS sensor, it captures breathtaking 8K photos and 4K 30 frames per second videos. Preserve every special moment with professional-grade clarity and high dynamic range. Its 3-axis mechanical brushless gimbal delivers stable, shake-free footage. This ensures a reliable and clear eye in the sky, filtering out flight vibrations. Weighing under 249 g, this pocket-sized drone requires no FAA registration. It's the compliant, worry-free choice for all your adventures. Fly up to 20,000 feet via its R2 digital system for a stable live feed. Operating without Wi-Fi, it ensures superior signal penetration and a lag-free viewing experience. It includes 2 intelligent batteries, providing up to 64 minutes of flight time. This drone supports PD 3.0 fast charging, keeping you ready for your next adventure. Master your first flight with AI takeoff landing in precise quadruple positioning. It features 1-key return and fail-safe returns, so you never have to worry about losing it. What we like. This drone stands out with its integrated 5.5-inch touchscreen controller, eliminating the need for a separate phone. If you value a streamlined, distraction-free flying experience, its dedicated controller offers unparalleled convenience. It's perfect for tech minimalists and those who want to get airborne quickly without app setup. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.